Hey, my friend Garrett Berry here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on E1U Life. Maybe you've been watching other videos trying to find out more information on what this platform actually is, and is it worth investing your hard-earned money into one of the packages or even into the other tools and resources they offer inside of the platform. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because what I'm going to do inside this video is share with you much more information, and I'm actually going to focus on the E1U Marketing Pro. Now, a lot of people don't know about this incredible feature inside E1U Life. They may see people making tons of money promoting this as an affiliate marketer. They may see, the valuable video training at the different packages. But what a lot of people don't realize is there's actually this whole marketing system with tons of different resources and abilities inside of E1U Life. Now, real quick, there's going to be a link directly below if you see an opportunity for yourself at any point where you can actually go ahead and sign up. Now, when people sign up under me, I send them an email with resources, bonuses, things to really almost force you to succeed online. Okay, so what I want to do is share with you, if you go here and you click that, if you're not currently a member, you're going to first get prompted to actually purchase E1U Marketing Pro. Now, there's two payment plans you can kind of do. One is $49, okay, to get started, and then it's a monthly fee to continue to stay active. And then the other one is a annual payment, okay, an annual fee. You just pay that once per year. Now, once you pay that, you'll be able to click here and actually get taken to your back office of the E1U Marketing Pro, okay, the dashboard. Now, you can see these different sections here. There's also tabs at the top. In this video, I'm actually going to go through each one very simply, very step by step. So again, by the end of this video, you can realize how valuable this actually is. This isn't just a way to make some high ticket instant commissions, which you can totally do. And I've covered that in some other videos. If you want to go through my channel, I have a playlist of E1U Life videos. But what I'm going to do is cover, so if we go to the promo response, okay, if we open this up, what this is this is an autoresponder software. Now, if you don't know what an autoresponder is, essentially, if you go out there online and you want to promote a product or recommend someone to, let's say, an affiliate offer, you want to become an affiliate, you don't want to create the product yourself, you want to promote something online, what you want to do is you don't want to send people right to the sales page, okay, right to the page. I can share with you what a sales page looks like. So if we go here, one of the sales pages of E1U Life, what you typically don't want to do is send people right to this page, because let's say they click get started and they don't buy right away. Okay, maybe they still want to do research. Well, you've lost out on that lead. They're going to see the page, they're going to leave, and you've never made a sale from that person. But rather, if you send them to an opt-in page, okay, something like this, what happens is you can actually collect this person's first name, last name, email address, and now you can have an autoresponder. You can use this tool with pre-written emails that will start following up, start sending out to this person's email address over a period of time, however long you want to create the days for, converting that lead, okay, sending them back to the sales page, sending them more value until they convert to a buyer. Now, what's cool about E1U Life Marketing Pro is they give you an autoresponder. So there's different autoresponders out there online, and a lot of them are pricey, a lot of them are very expensive. For just $49 a month, you get access to an autoresponder and all these other cool things that I'll share in just a second. So this is the dashboard. What you would do is you can go to campaign, create new campaign. And what you can do is you can actually create a campaign. Now, this is going to be dependent on whatever product you want to promote. Now, you can use this to promote whatever offer you want. Maybe you're in another business or you're promoting another product. You can do that, okay? But for the sake of this video, let's do E1U Life, okay? Follow up, campaign details. You can just write a very simple sentence. These people subscribed to find out more about E1U Life. Okay, name of email sender, you would put in your first and last name ideally, because it's going to be showing that email is coming from you, a real person. Remember, people buy from people, not companies, not faceless corporations. Okay, email of email sender. So you can put in your email address that you want the email to be sent out from. Okay, or look like it's being sent out from rather. On which page of your website you want to send people when they confirm. So once they actually confirm to your list, once they go here, they put their email in, where do you want to send that person? You could send them to a thank you page. You can send them to a sales page, or it has this as the default. Okay. Subject. Okay. This would be like the subject line of the email, what someone would see before they open it. And you can actually insert fields into subject. So you could say, first name, congrats on opting in, okay? And that will replace the person's first name right there if you have a page that collects their first name. And then you can go ahead and write your email there, enter your email to get lead notification, okay? So if you want to get notified whenever you generate a new email lead, and then create campaign, okay? Now, messages. So you can create a message or you can do a broadcast. Creating a message is where, again, you can create these pre-written follow-up messages. So everyone on the first day gets the same message. Everyone on the second day gets that same message. So you can really craft an autoresponder sequence. Broadcast, okay? This is where you can literally broadcast to everyone on your email list at one time. So if you have an update, maybe there's a live training, you can go ahead and broadcast to everyone. And again, this is incredible because a lot of times if you go outside of E1U Life and you try to do this, I mean, it can cost hundreds of dollars a month as you grow to use an autoresponder. And this is, again, if you do the monthly plan, just $49 a month. And this is just one of the many features. So if I go back to E1U Life Marketing Pro, promo host, okay? So what this is you can actually host a website on this platform. Okay, so again, usually you have to go outside of E1U Life to do this, right? You have to, buy hosting, and you have to buy like, a website and try to get, WordPress, all this like complicated stuff. But with this, it's literally just built in. Okay, so you can actually watch this tutorial. All the sections, by the way, have tutorials, okay, where they'll share with you step by step how to use it. This video is mainly just an overview of the many benefits E1U Life has, specifically the E1U Life Marketing Pro, okay? And if you want to manage your subscription, okay, so if you want to cancel for whatever reason, you can go ahead and do that. And again, they have all these video tutorials on every page. Now, if I go to marketing, okay, if I go to tools, they have this, right? So again, if you want to actually market E1U Life as an affiliate marketer, you want to get the ability to earn instant, close to 100% commissions on most of the levels, then you can actually use these marketing resources to do that. So what happens is they have general email series share code, okay? So what you can do is you can actually use these autoresponder sequences that are already created. And let's say, you want to target women, like family women, okay? You can actually use this specific one. If you want to target veterans, let's say your target market is people, that are veterans, you can use that email series. So there's incredible value here. Now, marketing banners, right? So this is incredible. So what you can do is if you have a blog, you have a website, let's say you even want to use E1U Life to create a website for you, which they have that ability. You can use these banners and embed them on your website, okay? So you can actually see right there, if I try to open this up in a new tab, that is a professional looking banner, okay? So essentially you can embed that on your page. Social media banner, okay? If you want to post this on a Facebook profile or Instagram, right? To start getting traffic, start getting clicks, you can do that, right? Going back here to marketing, opt-in pages. So they have even more opt-in pages. You can see, if I open this up, and these are all coded to whatever person is logged in. So these are coded to me currently, and they would be coded to you. So you can see right here, find out how you can earn $2,000 at a single sale when you become an E1U Life affiliate. First name, email address, find out how. When they put find out how, they will get redirected to different sales pages here as well. Okay, one with a video, So it's really, really powerful. Now, if you go to the bonus tab, they have two main sections, the reseller bridge license and the Vertex Live bonus ladder. I want to break these down again in an overview. If you want to find out more, be sure you go down to the link below and then you can actually, go in depth in this. But essentially the reseller bridge license, what this does is a lot of these programs out there are pay to play, right? Meaning if you don't invest and purchase the entire package of training, you can't sell that and earn on that level. But what they've done is they've added this reseller bridge license. And the way it works is this. Let's say you see the opportunity, you want to join at the Vertex Live level, which is the highest level, which is a $2,500 investment. But let's say you just can't afford it right now, right? What you can do is with a active membership of E1U Marketing Pro, you can leverage this license where all you have to do is own at least one package of the training, okay? Elevation all the way up to Vertex Live. You can just own one of those. In any package you don't own, you can still sell it and earn 50% of the commission. Okay, so what happens is let's say you join, you can only join at, let's say, the Vertex level. Okay, the Vertex level is $500. You can afford that right now. And you also pay the $49 a month for the Marketing Pro. Okay. What will happen is if you made a Vertex Live sale, let's say you went out there, you posted on social media, someone joined you at the Vertex Live level, because you're active at the Marketing Pro, you would still earn $1,000. Okay, so you would still earn 50% of that, $1,000. And then $1,000 would go to me, being that I'm the sponsor of you, right? But what happens is, okay, you can do that and you can keep doing that until you have enough to upgrade. So you could take, let's say you made a Vertex Live sale. Again, you would make the $1,000. You make another Vertex Live sale, you make the $1,000. Now you have $2,000. If you want, you can spend that money on whatever. But what I would recommend you do is you take that $2,000 and now you upgrade to Vertex Live, and now you earn the $2,000 commissions. Okay, so again, this is incredible because what it allows you to do is still make money even if you can't afford to position yourself at the highest level. Okay, so this is really, really cool, and I'm excited they added that for people. The Vertex Live bonus ladder, okay? Now again, you can go ahead and read over this, but essentially what this does is if you're at the Vertex Live, the highest level currently, what you can do is if you're a Marketing Pro member, you can actually earn bonuses on that Vertex Live sale. So in month 1 of your subscription, you'll earn $50 more. So you would earn $2,050, okay, for one Vertex Live sale. Month 3, it goes up to $150 bonus. So you would earn $2,150, right? Just from staying active on the Marketing Pro membership. Month 4, okay, you earn $200. So $2,200. Month 5, $250. Month 6, $300. And month 7, $350 bonus plus 100% commission on all other packages. So let's say you love this, you want to run with it for the long term. You would actually be able to earn $2,350 per Vertex Live sale after your 7th month, which is absolutely incredible. So I hope all this made sense. I hope you see why I personally love E1U Life and the E1U Life Marketing Pro platform. Again, the links are going to be down below if you want to sign up for the Marketing Pro. If you're not a member, if you want to, join at the higher level, access my full bonus package worth over $4,000 to really help you start to make commissions if you promote this as an affiliate. If you have any questions, by the way, be sure to comment them under this video. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible to really help you get clarity. I'm here for you, my friend. I hope you got value, and until my next video, I'll see you very soon.